It isn't a play photo.
Jay. What have I done with myself?
God have mercy upon us.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Investor, what are you looking for here?
What brought you here?
Yeah, I came to park my pool before another person will help me to park it.
Okay, you shoot here?
Yes, this one that I heard that they are not parking people's pool and use it for money ritual.
Oh, nice. I beg you, see my shit.
You don't want.
What's up again, my people? It's OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the very end because believe me, I've got the best of comedy for you guys. Like, you will laugh your ass out, believe me. So what you just have to do is to make sure you're subscribed to this channel, you understand, and put on the bell notification if you're yet to do that, so that anytime I drop new videos, you will be the first to get to know that. So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
You said you want to make it. Nobody in your family has made it, and you will not be the first to make it.
Father, save me. How mercy upon me, Father. Father, help me, Lord. I need you. Every chain against me. I'm
People wicked do. Now person they go tie like this.
Simon, they don't tie you with it, and they're in the press.
You see, I don't know you, but now you're free. You break everything.
For me.
But wait, wait to consign me. Me self never make him now.
Well,
we got
that. Jesus. Throw her inside with our fume. We are starting to pray again.
Have you eaten? We are going to eat. If you don't eat, I'll be angry. You
are mad.
You get problem, you don't know.
Kiriku, what happen?
I get work for you.
What did they do yourself? Which guy? What you mean by say you get work for me? You know the guy sleep while they sleep. You know the dream while they dream for my sleep. Which kind of rubbish be this now? You know the dream while they dream. You ask something, I don't need that like this. I just say.
Will you marry me?
You can't wait me.
You won't marry.
Your problem now.
You won't marry to
I
your
get work
family.
for you.
Which work?
Driving work.
Jesus. Just say no get sense. You know the kind of wahala where they where person they drive car. Last man go stop you. Police go stop you. VIO go stop you. Okay, I know they do any driving work.
Wait. Now big man want to drive.
You say waiting?
I think now big man want to drive.
Big man.
He booked me 50K, man.
You say me?
Mommy, see you.
Kiriku. Now person give you this money.
Yes.
And you know turn yam.
You
think it's a joke? Wait, now Lamborghini I'm gonna drive.
I don't know the car, but it's 7.
Take, oh yeah, go there.
You don't collect your own share.
This is where they come on in a spiritual. We will land the car.
Young man, is this the driver?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Hold it. This is the car you're going to be driving. Oh, one more thing, let me bring the person you'll be driving.
All right, sir. Okay, sir.
No, see who they come.
You know, so when you call that, I say I like the lie. See Jack Bada with the man where? I swear that show you go this one. This man will get money that. Call the man, he say the man can't get one beautiful daughter. Not they was Nollywood free. And the daughter will go just.
Yes, my mommy. Your mommy's not here. Oh, you see, my mommy's going to take me to London. That's my mommy. Your mommy's not here. This is the place you'll be driving. It's not insane. It's not insane. I just malfunction. Let me do it.
Wait, sir. Okay, now the person I want to drive.
Yes.
Why?
The person is not insane. I just say sometimes they malfunction. Is that okay?
Oh, no. It's not okay, sir. What type of
I want to kill somebody. I want to kill somebody. Oh, no.
You won't keep us.
It's not your time.
It's not your time. Keep it on the go back.
Sir, no bed. Sir, let me hold it.
Take him back home. Take him back as I dey talk to you. 4 drivers thought. Now you be the 5th driver. I'm I'm so glad you accepted the job.
Sir, I didn't accept the job.
I paid Kiriku 200,000. In advance.
And I 50K,
Hey, wait, calm down. How much I give you?
200K.
How much you give me?
50K.
Why you give me 50K for 200K?
I supposed to let me the mom.
Middleman money.
Middleman?
Yes.
Hey, you give me.
You see what I say? He even likes your personality.
No, he don't like my personality. Okay, wait now. You can follow.
Great person and they come.
No, I cannot go anywhere. Okay.
And he will not harm you.
He will harm me. My driver. Yeah, I'm not your driver yet.
I want you to take me to London.
London for what?
London for medicine.
Medicine for what?
Medicine for coffee.
Are you coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, come.
I want blood to drink blood.
Blood down now. Blood no be so good.
I want to drink blood.
Kiriku, say na job be this. Na job be this.
I give you job, you don't appreciate.
Talk of fuck you.
I bet you.
Kiriku. Kiriku.
What have I done
Okay, yeah,
myself?
calm down. Calm down. No worry. Let's talk matter over. I like you as you come outside. As I see that powder, I swear I like you. Really,
I like it.
No, you don't like
I'm not your hand.
Okay. I will take you to London.
No, I don't want to go to London again.
Wow.
You not go London again.
No,
Okay, what do you want?
I want your eye.
Are you whining me?
No, I want your eye.
You don't want mine. Oh, that little. Oh, yeah, wait. I go back to you. I said you be crazy.
I need your
We must let
This guy is not getting sense. This guy is not getting sense. Nothing one said.
Bye. Where you dey go? Lapo office, 3,000. 3,000. Tó wà lábọ̀ dùgbò.
Àwọn aláìní ṣẹ́ lápá. Wọn ò fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́, wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ àwọn olè. God have mercy upon us. Okay.
Yeah, now I dey come. Oga, my money now. No be you carry me call Lapo office. But you go give me my money now. You go chill now. May I borrow money I go give you. No, nah, I know if you calm down, bro. Nah. Okay, how much I will give you? Now 3,000.
Continue.
If I get 3,000, I go see me for Lapo office.
I wonder.
Oga, you go give me my money. Back money the carry person call Lapo office. They calm down you. You get patient. Get patient. Wait.
What's the happen for there?
Security. I want your guy, big.
Oga no deal. If you can't sick, you don't go office with them.
Oga no jam.
No deal. What's happen?
Oga, wahala go dey be that. You go give me my money.
Continue.
Thank God say you dey part of the Lapo people. I bet if you just borrow me small money to me, like give my bike man too.
Wetin be this?
I get document.
This one. Come on,
Come on. Oga, you go give me my money today. Oh. You go give me my money. Oh. My money na 3,000. Office, I beg. If you can go pay office.
Just that. You never say anything.
This guy don't get sense.
Hello, beautiful angel. Hello, just a minute. How are you? Oh, you're deaf and dumb.
Don't fire you.
What's what they do for you?
Now you be deaf and dumb. Shey if na me pour the way you take pour, if you answer me.
Oh, don't worry. You have a point. New day, new insult. That's why they receive them every day.
As you know, I respect yourself.
As we dey chop and they go. Now wait till we show you go see.
What's going on here?
My husband, good morning.
Who is this guy?
This is my personal trainer. You know you stopped me from going to the gym because of the guys at the gym. So I brought my personal trainer to train me.
You are the gym instructor?
Yes, chief.
Anyway, I'm going to work.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Alright.
Normal time.
Alright, take care.
Who you matter follows? Who you
I love you.
Love you too.
I don't trust this movement.
God have mercy upon us.
Danjuma.
Madam, lie down well.
Is this part of the training?
We are not a form.
Madam, wide your leg.
Hey,
Madam, wide your leg.
hey. You can go back.
I don't forget these documents. Anyway, I'm not far.
Yeah.
Please, can you just wide your leg for me? Open your leg.
Hey,
That right word. This is not the tire meal.
Madam, wide your leg now. Not be you won't flatter me. Wide your leg. This is the final stage, okay?
This is getting weird though.
Madam, a little bit wide. Open your leg. If you calm down. You look me less and you pour spit on my face. If you calm down. You don't want your tangle. Attack.
Out of me and you, what go take now? Get body for surplus.
Voila, look at
You guys came late today.
See, we're very, very sorry. It's the traffic, not traffic.
Okay, doctor would like to see you.
Yeah, I am. Okay.
No. It's only your wife.
Olia, I beg you, take care of her for me.
Jesus!
That is what you did. You tell that man, it's camera for me.
I don't know what you will have problem. I say,
Come. Good day, sir. How you doing? Fine, sir. I better help me call that girl with the same plantain, eh?
Plantain?
The plantain, then fine.
Bro, sweat.
Bro, see, this one at 1,000, this other one at 500. That one at 200.
Hey, come on, what's happening now? How many times I come and don't tell me this? How many times? And I said, shut up.
Bros, I beg now.
Shut up!
Bros, before you carry me come out, you get me come my mama. Now she first catch. When you station, you go see her. Jesus. They don't arrest me and my mama.
Look at
Auntie, come out there, don't my car be that oh. May no go take innocent person life.
Why can't go possession now you get her?
Now so they deceive our enemies now.
Limau.
What is the position when they run into my shrine like that?
Baba, listen to me.
Hey, keep quiet. You tell my territory, my shrine today. Now you go listen to me. Huh? What's the problem?
Baba, listen to me. Any problem where the ghost no fit solve, now the doors go solve. Now make we change the bag. Baba, now we been do baby. The man with the shortest and the longest answer. Guess what? Now I won't come me for market.
It's not possible.
People they use me, they run international transaction. Ever since they begin find out about Nala, my answer can't they die. Baba, do something. Do something.
Young man, what do you want me to do now?
Baba, help me wipe out Nala from the surface of the earth. Make my eyes rain.
My eyes rain.
Son, you don't have a problem.
Hey, come.
My phone they ring. My son went there abroad. They call me on video call.
Are you serious? Voila.
Yo, Papa.
Hello, Papa.
Papa, how you did that?
Oh no, Papa, since I use the money what they made from this my shrine, send you go abroad. You know they remember your father again. What did I do you, my pikin?
Papa, no be like that now. Papa, see, you know, see, this abroad no really easy as people to talk. It's about to take I get work.
I know they to hear you clearly. Where you there? See, come on here, church. Come on here, church.
Church, the spoil is the network.
Hey, Papa, they hear me now.
I hear you now. Talk to me.
Papa, I say, you never to take I get work for this UK one day. But no worry, Papa, I go send the money now.
Papa, tell me use my hands and send the money. I go paste you naira.
My pikin, he get my customer where they here. He say he get short answer. You go send the money to him so that he go give me naira.
Papa, I trust that person.
Papa, listen to me. My eyes be like last Nigerian election. The outcome don't clear for our eye. Bring the tea, come, my eyes are clear.
Papa, no worry. I go use Nala send you the money.
Not again.
Papa, no worry. Nala like online money transfer app. If you send money from UK, US, and other parts of Europe, Africa, Nigeria, they go receive it for their local currency.
Baba, leave Nala. Use my answer.
What is wrong with you, young man? If I send the money through your account now, are you going to give me $20 or £20 bonus?
Very good.
Baba, as a man, they give bonus.
You see? But if I send the money through Nala now and use the promo code Nduka, Nala is going to give you £20 or $20, depending on the currency or the country. All you need to do is just to tap the link on the bio, go to Play Store or Apple Store, download the Nala app and start using it to do your transaction. Papa, please forget it's my bank. Check your account. I just sent you 500,000 naira.
Yeah!
Sharp.
Wait, so fast?
Yes, now. Nala is very fast and reliable.
Wow.
This is the best. Let me come.
Now I'll talk to you later.
Come. So, now when my pikin use the same money for me,
now you want to
wipe from the surface of this earth.
God help me now that day.
Young man, before then, I will wipe you from the surface of this earth.
Baba beg. Baba beg, hey, mother call my mama.
Baba, I beg, no face. No face, forgive him. Now small beginning be.
Mommy.
Look at my face.
The mama not gonna save her.
Now the mama face at the look. I'm not going to come for you.
Nduka, I don't dey warn you. I don't dey warn you. One day you go call me, my number no go there.
I can't even sleep one night. I carry you from my mind.
Mama, sorry, please. Sorry. Sorry, Papa.
Adana,
Papa?
I don't think I can make it anymore.
No, Papa, don't say that, please.
Papa, you will not die. God, please. Don't let my father die. Papa, please take water.
Wait till you worry this one. Who will be this one?
Get up from that place. Come on. Let's go punish you, idiot.
They do like woman.
Yeah.
They do like woman.
This is my will.
Yeah?
It contains all my property.
Papa.
Yes. So, 90% for you. Yeah? Papa, what about me? Your first son?
Wait till this one they talk for you.
As I was saying, 10% for your dog.
Papa.
Since this idiot,
What be this?
I've decided to be homosexual.
Oh.
Eh?
Please calm down.
Yeah, look at so.
Sorry.
This last one.
Papa, please don't die. Please.
You have decided to kill my generation.
Shy.
It shall not be well with you. I don't take. On no condition.
Yes,
No
Papa.
condition. Should you give this idiot anything? Anything.
Papa, sorry, no.
Because the day you give this boy anything, that day, I will lay a curse on you.
Calm down now.
When you find your husband,
Yes.
two of you can go ahead to enjoy my
Papa, sorry.
property.
Papa!
Is nothing without you. There is something about you.
Papa! I don't know. So Papa willed all his properties to you because I'm homosexual. Oh. If only Papa knew you were a lesbian.
Jesus.
Get off and get off of me.
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.
This Nasboi or something else.
Babe, fix me something to eat. I'm hungry.
All power belongs to your able majesty. I bow before your throne.
When woman start to control man like this, eh? I know they like, woman, I'm not going to infest me with this kind of character for you. Which kind? I don't know. You didn't dress. Hey! For this, I beg.
Be fast, you know I'm hungry.
Are you seriously?
Make sure you add enough pepper. You know I like it spicy.
Bro, I don't understand. What is happening now?
Hello, babe. You won't believe what is happening. My boyfriend is literally doing everything I tell him to do.
Are you serious?
Guy, that Baba Cham they walk. Oh.
How do you know when they control like this? What's this so?
I can literally tell him to wash my clothes, clean the house, go to the market, and he's doing everything. They bust my brain.
Answer me now. What's this so? Woman, they control you.
Hope you locked his friend too.
No.
You did not.
Are you sure? You mean I should lock the both of them?
You need to lock the friend.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
That one people open the eye.
Oh yeah, now I'll do that. Thank you so much.
I'm a warlord. I'm a Ndaboski.
Many things they happen. Many things they happen. Only Jesus they save me. Many things they happen. As I know go be a friend.
They don't like that. They don't look all the way. They don't look all of them.
My friend, back this motor.
Photo. You know, some people for this life, their middle name and wickedness.
Young man, give me the paper for tomorrow. Officer, good afternoon. What is good about the afternoon?
You?
Oh, every day not be Christmas. You hear me?
Give me paper, Joe.
This one where you dey do that. Your man I know say you dey do that.
You see him? You see him? Blood of Jesus.
Why the paper scatter like this? You fight for road before you come out.
You won't die for jail.
Come up on road.
Who buy you?
Hey! I will carry iPhone from Which spot catch you now? Which spot?
Okay, this boy papers complete though. Not true, complete. But anything will happen. Maybe today we do this work. We'll give him for me time or small thing. They get you don't chop things. They look for small things. The guy feels done the strong. He's a young boy. Now our children. Now would they get a train there for streets? Now you go talk more. Don't worry. Leave this work to me.
My boy! No best. This thing happens once in a while. You get? Not to reason now.
You don't take care of because calm down.
Calm down now.
I don't understand. Have you guys not checked my papers? It's not complete. Why is he holding me?
Find out something.
Don't waste some time.
Say don't play with the law. It's not be about you where they eventually put you for trouble, where they worry you.
Sure, video.
Actually, I just came into the country. I'm on a financial tour. We're trying to see how we could develop Africa.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you know. Actually, I'm trying to see how I could take West Africa to the next point of success. Yeah, I've been able to do some incredible things, incredible developments. When it comes to East Africa, likes of Uganda, I bought it. South Sudan, I tried to buy it off, but you know, the president was like, he still has some plans for the country. You know, I came over to West Africa and I'm discussing with the Nigerian government how to buy off Nigeria.
Oh my God!
Don't shout. Should be buying off Gambia. Okay. Yeah, then Liberia is already, they sold it to me already. I need to just make some part payments for Liberia. That should be 15th of November. Yeah, so meeting a very beautiful girl like you, I think is going to help me, you know, fashion into the financial development.
Jesus!
Hello?
Jesus.
Is that how they do in Nigeria?
The man is wicked though. See this one copy video where people they go shit. If the shit finish come out, people go there, pack the shit. This one go do money ritual. 2 days later, person shit the shit go die. Hey! You know that is very dangerous so I don't tell now, I don't come out.
What does it mean?
He said they go in there and pack people's poo and use it for ritual.
Yeah?
Yes, inside this uncompleted building.
These are the problems. So these are the problems of Nigeria, West Africa. They tend to do all these, you know, sacrificial things that are not nice. How can you take the poo of a man or a woman and you turn it into money, financial purpose?
Can you imagine?
That's no problem. Okay. So let me have your number. Don't mind the phone. It fell into a bleach. Yeah. That's talking about. Forget the outward. Look into the inward. So we'll see some other time.
Alright, sir. Oh my God, thank you.
This way, this way?
This way.
This way? No problem.
I'll be expecting your call.
No problem.
Let's have it. It is in our play photo.
Jay. What have I done myself?
God have mercy upon us.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Investor, what are you looking for here?
What brought you here?
Yeah, I came to pack my poo before another person will help me to pack it.
Okay, you shit here?
Yes, this one that I heard that they are not packing people's poo and use it for money ritual.
Oh, nice. I beg you, see my shit.
Investor, I know you. You are an investor. You cannot poo here.
Oh my God. You don't know me. If you know me well, you know, say, I have in the shit before I see you. 2 minutes ago, my shit not there. My shit not there. I go wide open my shit.
Ogana, you sabi you.
Hello, madam. Can I see that shit? Let me know if it's my shit.
Hey! Hey! Jesus Christ. Oh my God, these guys are crazy. I want to take laugh finish me today. Dating in the village. Voila. Still respect the bit. Just imagine.
You still get time carry him to it. You get time carry to it. Can you imagine? You never see ghost. You go run and lick it like that.
Fine girl. Come, get anybody don't tell you today say fine. Where?
Nobody.
Nobody don't tell you today say fine.
Nobody.
Nobody tell you say fine.
Nobody now. You don't tell them now.
One I go they go if they don't tell you today, they go tell you tomorrow. I'm gonna later.
Jesus! Okay! Jesus. Okay!
Too easy.
Can you imagine?
Hey, customer.
Madam, I got pepper soup.
Pepper soup day.
Fresh fish.
E day.
I better bring the head. Who plenty pepper inside though?
No one. My daughter will bring her.
No wahala.
The reason I brought you here is to tell you that I'm no longer interested in this relationship. It's over. I'm no longer interested.
Babe. What the quarrel? Our 4 years relationship. After everything that we've shared.
It's just a number. I'm done. If the feeling is no longer there, there's no need to stay.
And a pepper soup she carry. Hey, and a pepper soup she carry.
I don't die because this boy is going to leave me.
Look at what food has cost now. And Chinedu did not know this.
Yes, they go. my guy no won't buy. My guy no won't buy. The fear of pepper soup and the beginning of wisdom. Guys, what's up? How was the video? Did you enjoy it? Because I think every single part of this video was fantastic. Every single part. I can't really say this is even the best because they're all nice. You understand? I believe you guys really enjoyed it. You see what I say? If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, you're missing out a lot. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And you can also check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. Check them out. And see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.